Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. Today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They were kind enough to send me all these gifts that I'm about to show you guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe. I beg, please. So I'm gonna show you guys all the gifts that came with the hair. They were a lot. I received nails, a brow charm, a comb, lashes, what else? Earrings, like everything you can imagine.
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love.
So this is the hair they actually sent me. I have customized the hair already. This is a 12-inch wig. I am going to list down all the information about the hair on my description box, so please do check out my description box if you are interested. And also, can you please see that this wig is looking like a glueless wig? Like, I really didn't need to glue it down, but for the purpose of the video I just wanted to glue the wig down. And also, I feel like the wig was small for my head. I think this is a small size. If only I did receive a medium size, the corners of my ears would have sit actually like perfectly. But since I'm just doing this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I install my hair and all that, but I'm not gonna show you guys the corners of my ears because the wig is already small. So if you are looking on purchasing this hair, you must make sure that you measure your hair, and so that you can actually get the perfect size for your head. So I'm gonna go in with the Max Melt glue. This is the glue I've been using for quite some time now, and it is super amazing. I love how it actually lasts me. Every time when I want to keep my hair, it always lasts me for like 5 days, which is very convenient. I am going to link her Instagram page on my description box, so please do check it out, and also please support her. It's such a small business and her products are amazing. And also, I'm gonna go in with this wax stick, and also it's from Max Melt. Such an amazing stick, smells so nice. Like, every time when I am applying it on my clients, they always ask, what is that smells so nice? And I'm like, it's a wax stick. So I'm gonna go in with a hot comb using high heat, so that the front is going to lay perfectly. I just love me wigs that don't have baby hairs. And also, I was told to actually like not do baby hairs on this hair, so that's why I did not use any baby hairs. So I'm gonna go in with water so that I can bring back the curls, and I will use this brush that I got from Discam. This is such an amazing brush for your curls and also for straight hair. This is a denim brush. I think it's like 150 if I'm not mistaken. Please do check it out on the website. Like, it's so like it actually does the work, because it actually like brings back the curls the way I want. So yeah, you can check it out.
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking.
So I will follow up with mousse so that the curls will not just disappear whenever I'm combing my hair. This is a Tanzania mousse, so you can get it at Discam or Clicks if I'm not mistaken. I think I got it at Discam. And then I'm gonna go in with my denim brush. You know, when you're working with curls, you must make sure that you are brushing the hair so that you will not lose your curls when you are installing your hair.
Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out.
And I'm going to go in with this Eco Gel styling gel, and I will apply this on my hair so that the curls will last me for hours. Let me just say that if I want to wear the hair or if I want to go out, it would last me if I'm applying this gel, because the curls will actually stay in that manner that I did. And also I am going to just go in with the brush so that the lace is going to look like like it's coming from my scalp. I'm gonna show you guys that. And also I did bleach the hair. Like, I really didn't like bleaching by knots, honestly, but I realized that when you bleach your knots, the hair or the melt becomes it actually looks much better when you actually what is this, bleach your knots. I will go in with this Transformer holding spray, I believe. This spray, you can use it also on straight hair or when you're actually curling your hair. It will lock everything into place. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm really sorry about my voice, like the time is like 12:25 a.m. in the morning, so yeah, that's why. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and also thank you so much Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. The hair is super amazing. The shading was, like, honestly, I really did not get any shading on this hair. Honestly, like, I really did not. I did not sweep my floor after shooting this video, which is something that is super amazing. Like, the hair is soft, as you guys can see, it's bouncy. And yeah, if you are looking into purchasing this hair, please do go to my description box. All the information and the link is on my description box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love.